Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Twitch. First, open the Twitch app on your iPhone. If you are not logged in yet, log in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Setting. Now go to the Security and Privacy. Look for the option called Biometric Login, Face ID or Touch ID. When you see it on the switch on, your iPhone will now ask to confirm using your Face ID or Touch ID to prove the change. If you don't see the biometric option, don't worry. Open the setting app on your phone. In the search bar, type Twitch, scroll down and tap Switch. Make sure Face ID and biometric access is enabled. Then go back to the Twitch app. The next time you logged out and try to log back in, Twitch will ask you to want to use Face ID or Touch ID. Just look at your phone or touch the sensor and you are logged in instantly. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.